Hi, everyone. I'm really looking forward to the upcoming GPL meeting. I think that mycotoxins are an unacknowledged and such a critical part of the potential contributors to cognitive decline. We are now in a pandemic, obviously, but the pandemic of Alzheimer's is about 50 times as large. In other words, about 50 times as many of the currently living Americans will die of Alzheimer's as have died from the pandemic. So it's a huge problem. And when I asked recently the 6 physicians we're working with on the upcoming clinical trial, what was the most common contributor, the sense among these physicians was that about 50 to 75% of the cases we're seeing with cognitive decline had at least some contribution from mycotoxins. And it's really been the difference between getting good outcomes and not getting such good outcomes, or as often getting such good outcomes. So I think it's a critical area, and look forward to talking about this and discussing this with everyone. So we'll see you at the meeting.